Guys, welcome to another Naft car review. Today I'm driving in the beautiful Taunus Mountains in Germany with the brand new Opel Grandland. So Opel is working hard to become a fully emission-free, carbon-neutral company, and they want to have a completely electrified fleet by 2028 for Europe. So if we take a look at their compact SUV lineup, there's three models. At an entry level there's the Crossland, then in between is the new Mokka, which also comes as a full EV, and on the other end there's their premium flagship car, this Grandland. If we take a look at the exterior, first thing we notice is the new bolder design with the Opel Wing signature daylights, double pixel LED headlights and a two-tone roof, and also possible is a two-tone bumper design. So instead of painted in body color, they are painted in glossy black. And to make it look extra tough, there's this silver skid plate in the bottom. If we take a look at the inside, there's a new instrument cluster with a 12-inch completely digital dashboard. And as a center module, there's a 10-inch touchscreen. If we go further down, there is this peculiar, funny-looking gear shifter, which looks a bit like a small handbrake, like they used to look. Similar to other hybrid cars, there's this toggle between D mode, which is just rolling out mode, and B mode, which is brake mode, which enables maximum brake power recuperation. Next to the gear lever is the drive mode selector, and in our hybrid we have three drive modes. There is sport, hybrid and electric. What I have noticed is that when you floor it in electric mode, it goes to hybrid mode. It's too bad I cannot show you the other screen layouts because they hooked up this Android device with some waypoints that I can drive, because I don't know the way around here. But center layout looks really appealing, really clear. Oh yeah, there's wireless charging. I'm not sure if there's wireless AirPlay and Android Auto. And this car has this crazy new function, which is night vision. So it actually detects animals, people on the road way before you can see them at night. Now it's clear daylight, so it's not working. And something I really celebrate is not only heated but also ventilated seats. No more sweaty asses. In the back, legroom isn't that huge, but it's okay, it's usable. Of course, because this is a compact SUV, that's normal. It can be divided in a 60-40 way, and in the middle there's this ski pass-through, which is very handy if you ski or fish or pole vault. So in this new Grandland there is two hybrid models. There's this normal hybrid and there's the Hybrid 4. This one has front-wheel drive and the Hybrid 4 has four-wheel drive. The normal hybrid makes 224 horses. The Hybrid 4 makes 300 horsepower. Next to a 1.64 cylinder petrol engine, there's also an electric engine of 81 kilowatts in the front, and to power that there's a 13.2 kilowatt hour battery. It makes 360 Newton meters of torque, and it has a maximum speed of 235 kilometers an hour. Friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it interesting. You've learned something about the new Opel Grandland. If you have any questions, send them to me in the comments. I'll answer them as quickly and accurately as possible. And then I'd love to see you back in the next Naft car review. Bye! Hi.
So you want a break for lunch?
Oh yeah.
Okay, then park on the right side and then you can go inside.
Perfect.
Thank you
Thanks.
very much.